Hi everyone, John Giffen here with State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. I want to talk about solar panels on residential roofs. We're running across a lot of our customers that have either need to put a new roof on or they have storm damage. What we're running into is these solar companies that installed these panels are no longer around and cannot be found. We're also running across that some of the manufacturers that sold the solar panels to the solar installer are no longer around. So I'm going to warn you that if you're looking at buying solar panels to install on your roof, you make sure you're using a reputable contractor that's been doing it for many years. Do your background into them and make sure you find out who the manufacturer is of the solar panels. Get all of that information. Make sure you keep all the warranty documents so that if there is an issue, maybe you can go back to the manufacturer and they can recommend somebody to come out and remove and reset them or service them. There are a lot of solar companies that have been in trouble and have gone out of business, and I suggest you do your research. Take care. If you got any questions, call John Giffen, State Roofing Company in Houston, Texas.